Hello guys, welcome back to YesEpicYes channel. Before we start, please subscribe to YesEpicYes channel. Okay, so let's start. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video. So my friend gave me this. She said this is gonna be the end of the world. So she randomly picked some of her friends on her contact list and sent us a brand new iPhone. Well, she said a brand new iPhone. Like, oh my god, can I request to get a case instead of iPhone? Well, so I'm not an iPhone user, so I don't know what is the brand new iPhone. iPhone 10, 11 or 12 or I don't know. I'm an Android user. Okay, so let's just open it and let's see if she really sent me an iPhone. Okay. So are you an iPhone user, guys? If yes, tell me in the comments. What is the newest model of iPhone? And how much it costs? Okay, so she definitely like, God, wait, what are this? Okay, so inside this box, she gave me a face mask. This is very useful for me, so I can use this to go outside. Okay. And then a hand sanitizer. Oh my god. But it's empty. This is trash. Okay, so wait. I got a wireless earphone. Oh my god. It's couldn't be. You guys know what inside? This is not a wireless earphone. What on earth? This is like a sport cam, like a mini camera that you use it when you go swimming or something. Let me check if this is work. Oh, it's work. See? It's on. Okay, so let's see. It really sounds like Chinese camera. Oh, it didn't work. There's a memory inside this camera. Look at it. Like video or anything else in. Okay, I almost broke it. Oh my god, it's stuck. How to put the memory card and inside this? Okay, I get it. Okay, I get it. So I think this is run out of battery, so I'm just gonna charge later and see if this really works. This is the case of this camera. This is trash. Oh my god. Oh, my nail. I can open it and I can put it inside in here and then I'm really disappointed. I think I really get an iPhone because maybe this is right. Maybe this is the end of the world and she just do a good thing to me. But in fact, she is not. She giving me a trash. Push it harder. Okay. Oh, I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to. Look at this. It's really weird. This is the case of this camera, but I can't put it inside. Why? Okay, this will take longer. Okay, I give up. I don't know why. I don't know. I got a chopstick. This is so useful. And I got a bandage. Why? Why is he giving me a bandage? Why? I don't know. Nothing else in the box. It's empty now. Look, it's empty and I'm speechless. I will go take some of my friends if they maybe also get the same dress from her, because oh god, she must be joking. What this is for? Bandage this broken item so it will get healed and changed to be an iPhone? I don't know. I think she pranked me and pranked some of my friends. So let's see what the other guys get. I don't know what my other friends get from her. So yeah, I'm speechless and I don't know what to say right now. So the most useful thing that I get is only these two: a chopstick to eat the sushi and a face mask to use to go outside. Okay, so I guess this is it. I don't know what else. Okay guys, so stay at home and stay clean, stay healthy, and don't trust your friend. Okay, so please subscribe to YesEpicYes channel and don't forget to turn on the bell. So bye bye. See you on the next episode in YesEpicYes channel.